You will begin by typing the following webpage: geogebra.org/notes. Once the page loads, go ahead and, if it isn't already done, sign in. Remember, all you have to do is click on Google, find your LAUSD account, and you're signed in. Today we're going to start by choosing the paperclip at the end and automatically selecting the icon called Graspable Math. Minimize this and begin by adding a problem, a math expression, which will be 6 plus 5 minus 8. Press done when you're done. The program will automatically keep track of your steps. All you have to do is click on the symbols of the equation. Start by selecting the plus sign, then select the minus sign. So it tells you that the answer is 3. If you notice this little circle here on the side, you can click and drag it down. It gives you a listing of your steps. 11 came from 6 plus 5, 11 take away 8 is 3. Then make a copy of the problem by clicking on the first circle and dragging it to the side. If you want to adjust it further, you can click on this 4-sided arrow and you can adjust it so that it's a little bit more off to the side. Go back here to these 2 double-sided arrows and now solve it differently. Maybe subtraction first and then this. Keep in mind that if I click on this little circle with the little extra piece, I'm allowed to drag it down and I can see the steps in between. Do this on your computer now.